guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Assalmu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Peace be upon you all. Hope you're all doing well, inshallah. So I'm back here with another video of Maryammasud, and today's topic is gonna be on her membership. I know many of you guys are suffering from these three major problems. Number 1, the link isn't working for a few countries. Number 2, the billing address can't be changed. And number 3, there is an issue with the payment method. And now I'm going to be solving it out for you guys so that you don't have any problems in the future. So just get handy to a pen and a paper, and here's everything you need to know about the membership. And yeah, number 1, the link isn't working for a few countries. Well, how will you understand whether the link is working or not? If you click on the link, you will see this or this. So you might be wondering, how am I supposed to buy this membership? Well, follow the steps one by one. Step number 1, go to Play Store and download the VPN Turbo. Step number 2, connect to the VPN server. Connect to any VPN server, doesn't matter. Step number 3, go to YouTube and search for Maryam Masud. Go to our channel and you will find the join button. Number 2, the billing address can be changed. This is because when you're connected to the VPN, the page loads up the billing address of the server which you're connected to. For example, if you're connected to the Indian server from another country, then it will load up the billing address of somewhere in India. So you guys might be wondering, what's even the use of making the link work if you can't even change the billing address? Well, don't worry. You need to be connected to the VPN. So follow the steps one by one. Step number 1, go to Chrome, open YouTube and search for Maryam Masud. Step number 2, go to any of our video description and you will find the channel membership link. What you have to do is long press on that link and few options will pop out. Then click on open link in new tab. Step number 3, go to the newly opened link and you will see something just like this. What you have to do is go back to VPN and disconnect the VPN. Step number 4, get back to Chrome and select any level you want. And now you can see the billing address has been changed to the country where I live. Number 3, issue with the payment method. Whenever someone connects to the VPN, opens the link, tries to buy the membership, it says the card is declined. Well, now you guys might be wondering, how am I even supposed to solve this problem out? Look, there is nothing to solve. The problem is with your own credit card because it's an international payment. And for international payment, you need an international card, which means your card won't work here until and unless your card is an international card or a card of the server which you're using. For example, if you're using US server, the payment will only be accepted if you are paying using a international or a US credit card. So if you enjoyed this video, like it would be massively appreciated. Do subscribe to this channel and I'm gonna catch up with you in the next one.
Protect me and guide me, oh, to your love and mercy. Ya Allah, don't deprive me from beholding your beauty.